Hi everyone, I'm Muñoz. I'm a songwriter and touring bass player with Olivia Rodrigo, and I'm a proud MI graduate. I remember this place. I've done a lot of performances on this stage. This is where I discovered my passions, honed my skills, and got ready to launch my career as a working professional in the music industry. And guess what? You can learn about the same opportunities at MI's open house. Get busy learning in our interactive workshops, explore our diverse programs from performance and production to songwriting and the music business, and you will get to chat with our world-class faculty. You can tour our amazing campus, see our state-of-the-art facilities, and get all your questions answered. Plus, you'll get to experience the energy and excitement of MI with live performances throughout the day. So if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, MI has something to offer you. Come discover your musical potential. It's all here at MI.